Hello, I'm Jason Yandoni, and today we're going to be doing technically Coding for Beginners 6. Actually, no, Coding for Beginners 5. Okay, let's get into this. I've already got a base idea of what I want to create. I want to create a guy really immersed in the code and somehow gets into the code, and he's creating a game, so I'm just going to base that off of a classic video game. Okay, so I think we got the guy who's going to be coding. That's already a character. I'm not sure about. Yeah, also the reason why I chose this topic is because, in my opinion, I like coding. Okay, I already started. I just added this background already. Now let's actually edit this. Most of when I build some indoor room, so that's why I'm trying to differentiate it. Okay. I think I know what to do. It's just like really hard to recreate. Okay. Now what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I think I got that effect I wanted to get. So I'm just gonna take this out. I like that orange color, so let's add this and okay, it looks like it's just a little bit big for our this pixel is too small for ours, so I'm just going to have it like this. And yeah, that looks fine. Let's add it to life. I don't know where in the room we should add it. Okay, that looks really awkward. Yeah, I think I could use some editing. Let's eliminate this one thing. And I also want to make the background this color. And we can also create this part. I'm just guessing that this will be the size. And okay. So we need one more layer of the frame. Ooh, that just looks like a not usual monitor. I think we need to cut a little bit more. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I think we've got this. Now, I think this part's ready, but I would kind of not want a plain room, although even myself. So I want to kind of add a sofa. Okay, so let's try adding a sofa. I want green. And I'm just going to cover this whole thing. And yeah, just like this. I'll kind of make a sofa look. Yeah, that looks a little bit like the inner core of the sofa. I would want some lighter colors for the inside. Slightly different. Yeah, that looks like it. And I want to add like a loose cushion. This is like totally optional, but I like adding my little things. So I'm gonna add here, and I want a black outline. So that what the black outline will really do is show where the pillow is. Okay, but it'll differentiate where it is more. I'm just gonna put my logo. Actually, I'm gonna put Lightningcode just for that. Just for fun. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to finish this. Okay, I think I decided to change that to a lightning bolt. So, lightning bolt like this. Oh. Yeah, I think making a lightning bolt is tough. Okay, so this is kind of the lightning bolt I decided to choose. And I want to add the ending of this so that it kind of comes onto the couch like this. I'm not so good at this. Oh, I keep on forgetting this. Okay, and just like this. And if we add this, okay, I think I'll need about 2 pixels to cut out. 2 pixels. Oops. I'll cut out one more. Keep getting them mixed up so that I can add this one. Yeah, I think that fit. Okay. And I'll also try to change this color. I don't want all of them to be the same color, so I'll try blue. Hey, that actually fits. Okay. I think blue it is then. Oops. Oh, that's just what I forgot. The different shades of blue. Okay. Now I think we're good with the little sofa, and he's gonna be moving from this. Okay. I want more of a desk just like the other one. So like this. And there will be I think there should be like a TV. That would work pretty well. And I'm gonna edit this one actually. And let's put this TV shape on it. Just like this, and let's fill it in. I'm gonna fill in the rest. Now, okay. It turns out making a TV might be a little bit big of a feat. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm just gonna ignore it. This is just gonna be a simple room without a TV. So I think we are done with this background. Now let's go to, oh yeah, I completely forgot. We also need to add a few other things. So the first one that I was kind of thinking of creating was, this time it'll be green fully, and so it'll be fully black, and we'll have green numbers. So we'll have green numbers. And yeah, so like this. No, kind of like this. Well, these look a little bit big. not sure how to make it too. They all look kind of like ones. I think I'll just do this. And then he'll be in here for 1 second and he'll go into the real game. Okay, I think this is how it'll work. Okay, the green background, or there's gonna be, I'm gonna decide that this is gonna be more of Mario, so that's kind of a classic. So I want to recreate that he's making that, some type of game like that. So there will be this, but it won't be an exact replication. And we'll have little islands just like this. I'm gonna try to make this so like this. Okay. So here, here, and here. Okay, I think we've created this. And now let's create an enemy. Okay, let's create our enemy. I want to kind of make it like a Goomba, so which I've heard in Mario. So I don't know too much about this thing, but I kind of know what Mario is. So I'm gonna attempt this. Okay. I'll see when I'm kind of got the right shape. Okay, so I think that this is how I'll try to make it. Okay, so now for the walking parts, we'll need him standing. So I'm just gonna delete it and let's paste this right in, and he will be just slightly higher. That's what I want to go with. Okay, so I think I made our big enemy here. So now I think that we're ready to create the story. Let's add our characters. And I think that's all the people will need for now. Okay, let's add our first scene and let's add this scene. Okay, so he's saying, now he'll say, do action and say, got a coding idea. I think that would work. A coding idea. Okay, now that will be for 2 seconds, and he'll move up to the computer. So he'll move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So he'll repeat 5 times. And then he'll go up and he'll move left 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. And just like this. 3. And then he'll say, then he'll wait for around 3 seconds. And then he'll say, act. there's a lot of these. Okay. So then he does this, and they immediately go to the next scene. Okay, the next scene is this. And he'll say, right in the computer. And then he'll say here, okay, I accidentally edited it. And wait, this is my new game. And then he'll say, you'll look around for a bit. So this. And then he'll move here. Actually, he won't really move. Oh, no. I should not have made the enemy super powerful. Okay, what? My game. What is going on? Okay, I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, so I added these two dialogues, and now he'll also do an emote, and he'll say, he'll do this face as if he's really scared, and then that is when he'll broadcast to this little Goomba, and he will wait for his this, and he will be invisible the whole entire time, and then he'll suddenly become visible. Okay, first let's drag him into the scene. Yeah, he'll start off there. He'll say, I will eat you. I will eat you. And he'll broadcast to him, and he will wait for a broadcast back, and he'll say, oh no. Oh, okay, I think that'll work, and he will start running. So let's just see how this whole entire thing turned out just for this part. Haven't named it yet. Oh, I got a coding idea. The code's pulling me in. So you'll say, am I in the computer? That works. Wait. I think I might have glitched it. I'm just gonna watch this scene again because I think this got a little bit glitched with the text. Okay. I need to see that again. Wait. Okay, so I realized that there was a typo. Now I think it's fixed, and I'm ready for our. I'm just gonna call him a Goomba friend to say I'll eat you. Okay. Okay, so now he should go left once. He should move once this way. Then he should move again this way. And I want him to fall down. And I want this to be less of a fighting scene. I want this to be more of a friendship. So then they suddenly get to become friends. I want so that happens. Okay, I want to make him move this way one more time. And let's see how big of a fall. That would be 1, 2, 3. Okay. So he would be moving down. Let's repeat that. And let's repeat it 3 times. Okay, so now, and then he'll say, hurt. And he'll broadcast to him. And although he coded it, since he coded it and spent a lot of time, he'll say, oh no, and he'll immediately, so when he says, I'm hurt, he'll broadcast, and he will receive this broadcast, and he'll say, I need to help. And he will go here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 5. So he'll move 5 times. Do action, move this way. And he'll repeat this for 5 times. 5, okay. And then he'll go up 1, 2, 3, and move here. So 3 times. Do action, move. He'll go up, and it'll repeat for 3 times. Nope, not here. Here, and 3 times. And then he'll move this way. And then he will jump up and move 1, 2. So he'll jump up 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, again. Yeah, he'll jump up 3 times again. And yeah, let's go to the repeat. And let's put in 3. Okay, now that is set. So I think he'd have done this. And right now he'd be right here. Okay. Now we'd want him to go 1, 2 times. So he'll move and he'll go here and he'll do that for 2 times. 2 times. Okay, let's test this out. I think that this should work. So he fell off a cliff and he got hurt. And he'll say, so now he'll say broadcast to him, and our Guma friend will wait for his broadcast, and he will say, thank you for healing me. He'll say, can we be friends? Right here. And then he'll say, he'll broadcast to yellow, and our yellow guy, will say, wait for broadcast, and then he'll say, yes. And then that'll probably be the end of this scene. And our next scene will be this. And they both will say, he will say, I did not know we had so much in common. And then his guy will wait for 4 seconds. And then he'll say, well, you coded me. There's a lot of exclamation marks in this. And I think that's the end of our story. Let's call it Coding Friendship. I think that'll prove as a good name. Let's just put our caps. I like putting the caps afterwards. And that is it for our story. Anything we make together will be starred. And let's look at the final product. Okay. Also, tell me if I'm getting a little bit bored of this orange flooring, you can tell me what color I can put later on. So say that in the comment section. And let's keep seeing this. Also, this is kind of based off of the fact that I make games, so you should also watch those videos of me making games. That landing really feels like it got hurt. Wow, that seemed to fare well. Okay, and And then yeah, that turned out pretty well. Tell me what you think should be our next thing. I think maybe now's the time we can try. You can maybe try to comment and tell me what you think could be better, and I'm gonna try to pick out of the comment section. Other than that, yeah, tell me what you want me to create for this story or any other stories. What you might want me to have, like a rocket ship, creating a rocket ship, landing on a different planet, also. So, yeah, you can tell me all of your ideas in the comment section. And other than that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.